See, apart from these Europeans, many European scholars, some scholars they visited India, Elphinstone, Coles, Broke, Cunningham, Wright, Dawson. They have introduced their own different stage of the history. Francis Buchanan, Cole, Wilkes, Mackenzie, B.L. Rice, Fleet, other European scholars, they have successfully achieved, they have successfully recorded, and they kept preserved the inscription means nothing but writing on the wall or writing on the stone. Manuscript, they have recorded, they have preserved the manuscript. Manuscript means the script written by hand, manuscripts. Chronicles means serial wise history data or serial wise history information. And testimonies means proofs, evidence. And contemporary means equal or same time history, or equal time history or same time history. And those people immensely achieved the reconstruction of the history of Karnataka. So they came from Europe. They were not Indians. They played very important role to reconstruction of the Karnataka history. Thus, Europeans have achieved successfully introducing the novel way. Novel way means new way to understanding, to study, to constructing the history to the Indians. Means they have taught to the Indians how to construct the novel or a new style of the history to Indians. Otherwise, Indians, they believed that Puranas, Upanishads, and because they had immensely great knowledge about the history, but their form of the history, Indian form of the history, the Indian style of the history, in the form of Puranas, Upanishad, Bhagavad Gita, but European style history is completely different. In this way, they have provided, means they have given this all records to the Indians, a new process of thinking, new process of research, a new perspective of the construct history. So Europeans, they have searched, they have taught how to construct the new way, novel way of history to the Indians. Children, this lesson is already finished. Next lesson means in geography section, the map and globe, I will start in next video. So I will provide the notes related to this video soon.